Oh, no. Oh my gosh.
You're live. Live.
Oh, my
Going
nose
live.
is like.
Okay, and I believe we're on.
Hello, guys. Mahal, you're mute here. Did you do that on purpose?
Mute for what?
That one.
Yes, that's fine. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Good evening. Sorry, it takes time again to do this live because we're still learning, and I hope I will get the 1,000 subscribers so we don't need to go on this crazy thing. And Mahal, I hope my voice is loud enough.
Yeah. Yeah, we hope you can hear us. And certainly,
Mahal, your tea is already get cold.
I just want to make sure that we can see whether the chat's coming through to anyone who's on there and that. So.
You're gonna complain that I take all the place again.
Yeah, you always do. You sit in the middle of the couch, and I have this little corner over here, so I can't really do much, and that's usually the case, right?
I think that's normal, even in the bed.
It's like, yeah, well, that's right, you know. It's like you get a larger bed, that means just a larger area for spread out.
No, now
right?
that we have the king size bed, like.
Yeah. That's true. All right. So what we have here today is.
Mahal, I need to off that thing.
She's got something on the stove, like always. So it's just one of those things, you know.
Yeah, I have my.
What have you got on the stove right now?
I got this. I think this is what I
You got this. That doesn't really explain it very much to you guys, but to me, this means
Wait,
everything.
Mahal, it's hot. Okay, I will explain this to you.
And
Everyone knows this.
yeah.
But I have very cute one because we're running out of banana leaves. This is cassava, grated cassava, and
Yep.
inside obi yam, and
Ubi.
yeah, and I mix with glutinous powder so it will mix a little bit sticky. It's yummy because it's made by me. Mahal, I'm looking on the TV rather than the camera.
Yeah, you should be looking in the camera here, huh? Yeah, we're still trying to work out these things, hey, but you know, we'll get there.
So yeah, guys, tonight we're going to tell you what to do on the Raffle draw. Final, guys, final.
All right, so what we've been planning out is a raffle for you guys, and the way it's going to work is that we have one number for one person, and you got to comment that number with your actual full name in the comment section of this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to collate all those numbers. Make sure that no one's already taken that number. If you've taken the number, then you lose out on that one, and whoever has it will take that prize. But what's up for grabs is for 4 lucky people who we draw out their number, they're going to win 500 pesos each.
Yes, you're going to win 500 peso each. And we're going to picking up
4 separate people.
Yeah, 4 numbers. 4 separate people. 4 separate numbers. Yeah,
so while
guys,
there's 4 chances to win, it's going to be 4 separate people that it's going to go to. So that's the way for us to be able to spread it around, so it's not all going to go to the same person, even though I'm sure some people would love to get 2,000
yeah, I know.
all to themselves.
Yeah, that's yeah.
But that's the way we want to spread it around, so everyone has a chance.
Yes. So what do they need to do, Mahal? What's the requirement?
So one person is allowed one number. You comment in the comments of this video, and then when you've commented, make sure that no one else has taken that number before you.
Yeah, make sure.
Otherwise, it's going to go to whoever's commented on that first.
Yeah, invalid.
Yeah, it'll be invalid.
Yeah, double number would be invalid, so make sure that that number is not taken yet before you do the comment.
And so when we do the raffle, when we get together next time for the raffle and that, we're not exactly sure when that's going to be. So we're going to wait. We're going to give people a chance to be able to comment on this video, subscribe, share the video so it does get circulation. Other people can have a chance.
Yeah.
Share it to your family, share it to your friends, and give them a chance to be able to be in the running for that 500 peso for themselves.
Yeah, because we don't start the raffle if the 200 numbers is not completed yet. It's not taken yet, so we don't start. So if you wanna make it happen soon, then share so everyone can comment their numbers.
So give everyone a chance, and that if you can think of anyone that could do with 500 peso in their bank, and or send to them, which I'm sure you'll find someone who might take advantage of that.
I think there's plenty there that want to have it, because you don't need to do plenty. You just need to subscribe, share, and then comment your number, and then who knows, you win 500, right?
Yeah.
That's easy.
How easy is that? When we come down to it, you don't know who's going to win, but you know, if you can put yourself in for a chance and put the people in your family in for a chance, it's only going to help you out. You never know, you might be able to split it with them.
Yeah, and guys, please watch this video. Listen carefully on the instruction, guys. And I'm gonna make sure as well you share this video. We're gonna share this on my Facebook. And then you need to share it, because I will check your Facebook. If there is no share there, then no, you're not.
Yep, no share, no deal.
No deal. Invalid. Sorry, invalid. If you don't share it, then invalid. Because I will know as well if you share it. My video and my Facebook would say 200 share there.
Yeah, and we got this lovely thing called analytics as well, which gives us a lot of information about the YouTube channel and
everything,
and the people which are coming onto YouTube and where they're coming from and such. So including shares and subscribers. So
that's right.
And this is all about building something important for people around us, so we can actually give back to the community. So join us on that ride.
Sorry guys, it takes time. It's supposed to be last night, but I'm always busy. Even today I'm busy as well, because I'm preparing for my stop for tomorrow, because I'm flying out again tomorrow for work. And then and then at home, the work at home never stop. Never end, never stop. There's always something that you could wash clothes, fold clothes, you do vacuum, everything, guys.
I'm sure I contribute to that a fair bit as well.
No, you're alright, because you're working.
I create a fair bit of mess and that, you know, and it's lovely to have my wife home, because, you know, I don't have to worry so much.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about your food.
Don't have to worry about having to take care of everything myself, and it's great to have her back, not only for
that's why I told you.
Not only for the time that we got the companionship and you know, that time together. It's it's great. It's good for me. And
it's good.
It's very good. Cassava and ubi. It's too hot.
No, it's cold. No. Kamanting, nga naay ubing, nga naay asukar, nga naay lubig. That's all.
Lami?
Good for coffee.
It's good. Alright,
guys.
Yep.
Please watch my video as well, guys. Because
look.
please support and watch my video, because I really want to have 4,000 public watch in 1 year, and I hope, let's help one another, guys. Please help me to watch my video. Like, if you have Wi-Fi, please watch it. Don't escape. Watch from the beginning to till the end. If you have Wi-Fi, please watch.
It really makes a big difference to us, and if you're able to do that. Yeah, it's look, as our tea says here, it says socialize with compassion, kindness, and grace.
How about mine?
What is yours?
You are unlimited. What?
Oh wow, you're unlimited, eh? Whoa.
We're drinking this. We're drinking this. What is this, Mom?
It's a yogi tea, but it's a calming tea. It helps you settle down for the end of the night, and so you can sleep well.
Yeah, it's honey lavender stress relief. It's good. It's good. Yours.
It's quite nice. Yeah, it's a little bit sweet. Yeah, do you think?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, but that's the honey. Honey.
Did you put honey or honey lavender?
It's honey lavender. Yeah. Soothing serenity blend.
It's good.
It's good for your end of night.
Yeah, and then guys, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, then subscribe, then share, comment your number, and share so it will spread out so everyone can take that number as well, because we need 200 numbers.
Share the love.
Because what we're gonna do is like one number, I will write down number 1 and then your name there, and then we will pull that paper, and then when we do the raffle, pick up one number. Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay guys, I need to explain Bisaya.
Huh?
Bisaya?
Yeah, Bisaya.
How to start? Guys,
this is the easy part. This is your native.
Yeah, because it's hard to just swap. Like I'm talking English and then later on Bisaya. Like I'm not smart enough. Okay, Bisaya. Guys, ayaw kalimot i-share, pag-share, subscribe, comment your number with tibuok ni mga ngalan, full name, and then if you have any question, kung naamay mga pangutana guys, please send me a message on my Facebook, or if we are not friend in Facebook yet, add me on Facebook so I will know as well. I will know if imuha bang gi-share ang ako kaning nga video, imuha ba ning gi-share, kay ay kinahanglan i-check sad nako siya kung na-share nimo o wala. Kay inig mabunutan nimo ngalan nga wala nimo gi-share, wala ka naka-subscribe, then it's useless, and then we're gonna pick up move on to another number and pick up another winner. Yeah. And guys, mag-pick up ta og 4 ka number, 4 ka winner. Each 500 each ang daog, 4 ka number, so it's 4,000. So atong winner is ang modaog is 4. And tanaw na to kung nababay consolation prize, maybe we'll do consolation prize as well, like
2 consolations.
Maybe 5, 400 each. So everyone will be happy and waiting. Let's say guys, but confirm that we're gonna pick up 4 numbers and 500 each. Okay. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't skip the video, watch it guys. If you have Wi-Fi guys, start from the beginning until the end. But yeah, not bad guys. I already have 120 hours public watch, so it's not bad. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, to everyone there who watch and help me as well to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless us all and keep safe.
Excellent. Keep safe everyone. And bye.
Bye,
Remember,
guys.
Subscribe and share. And ding that bell to be able to make sure you get notified whenever we have a video coming up.
Oh yay. Mahal, thank you so much for helping me to set up this live, because without you I can't.
I'm sure we're only going to get better at this, and when we keep doing it, I'm sure that it'll be a little bit easier.
But we're on 680 now, so I just need 320, and then when we reach to 1,000 subscribers, so we don't need to do this, right? We just go directly live.
Yeah, we can go directly live and that after that point, and
and
keep you updated straight away.
Yeah, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it for
Thank
tonight.
you guys.
Thank
Good
you guys.
night.
You have a great night, and God bless.
Mwah. God bless. Thank you, Mahal. Thank you so much. This is my last night that I could sleep. I could wake up late. Tomorrow I will wake up late, and then the other day I will wake up 4 o'clock in 14 days. Oh. That's life.
All right. Good night for now.